In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google My Business to Go High Level to Post. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Google Business profile linked and ready to publish posts directly from inside Go High Level's social planner. Let's start from your Go High Level dashboard. Once you're logged in and you're on the correct location, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where Go High Level keeps all the tools related to social media and promotional campaigns, and it's the area you'll use to manage posts across different platforms. Within the Marketing section, you'll see an option for the Social Planner. Inside the Social Planner, look for the option labeled GBP, which stands for Google Business Profile. Click on GBP. This is the feature that allows you to connect your Google My Business account so you can create and schedule posts that will appear directly on your business listing. As soon as you click that option, you'll be redirected to a new window or a pop-up tab. If your browser blocks pop-ups, make sure to allow them for Go High Level so this step works smoothly. This new window is where Google and Go High Level communicate to set up the connection securely. In that new window, you'll be asked to choose a Google account. This should be the same Google account that owns or manages the Google Business profile you want to connect. If you have multiple Google accounts, take a moment to select the correct one, because Go High Level will only be able to post to the profiles associated with that chosen account. After selecting your Google account, follow the on-screen prompts from Google. You'll usually be asked to grant Go High Level permission to manage and view your Google Business profile. Read through the permissions so you know what access you're giving, then click Allow to continue. This authorization step is essential for Go High Level to publish posts on your behalf. Once you've completed these prompts, you'll be brought back into Go High Level and your Google Business profile should now be connected. From here, you can start creating and scheduling posts in the social planner and they'll go straight to your Google